Hello mga chikalabs at peshkang expired. Good morning. Ito yung nakakakilabot no kasi may kakilala din ako dyan sa Los Angeles, California, yung ex ng beshing nyo, Char. So ayan po, nung nakaraang linggo, meron po kasi silang Globe Awards kineso. Tapos minakmak nila talaga yung God. Ayan, and then after that, in just few more days po ang nangyari. Ayan, nakakakilabot. Tapos may isang bahay po doon na talagang ang hindi na burn yung statue pa ni Mama Mary. So watch natin.
Second Golden Globes. You were incredible in Dune. Oh, woke up for all of your scenes. What a year you've had. Glenn, couch thoughts, and you'll go, oh, that was before that. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions.
Mocking God and using his name as a cuss word is nothing new for Hollywood. But less than 48 hours after the Golden Globes blasphemy, Hollywood was on fire.
Tonight, a new fire breaking out late this evening in the Hollywood Hills. Who would have ever thought this? Los Angeles is on fire.
I talked to a fireman once. He was telling me, he goes, dude, one day, he goes, it's just going to be the right wind and fire is going to start in the right place and it's going to burn through LA all the way to the ocean and there's not a thing we can do about it.
The scene horrific.
This is new aerial video of a 6th fire, the Sunset Fire, based in the Hollywood Hills.
Firefighters there doing everything they can, but there simply aren't enough of them to fight the horror that has exploded.
Right now, people are rushing to escape the Hollywood Hills.
Brand new fire exploded down the Hollywood Hills, making a beeline for the iconic heart of the entertainment industry.
It is like driving through hell itself down here. Literally through hell.
Tens of thousands of people have fled for their lives, abandoning their cars when they could go no further.
A new fire erupting in the Hollywood Hills, marching toward iconic landmarks. More than 130,000 people were under evacuation orders across Southern California.
A new fire has broken out in the Hollywood Hills in Los Angeles, threatening landmarks like the Dolby Theater, where the
viral ang photo ng statue ni Mama Mary na hindi nasunog o natupok sa kabila ng apoy. Ayon sa may-ari ng bahay kung saan matatagpuan ang statue, natupok lahat sa paligid, puwera na lang ng statue ni Mama Mary.
Oh, diba? Sobrang nakakakilabot. Kaya ako personally, kami naman talaga, ako naniniwala ako kay God, ang family po namin. Especially yung mga maka-El Shaddai dyan. Ayan po yung pinamana sa amin ng aming lola, sa side ng father. Walang masamang maniniwala ka kay God. Respetuhan kung anong religion meron tayo. Pero yung imak mo ang God, diba? O, nagbigyan kayo ngayon ng bonggang-bonggang parusa. Ayan yung sinasabi sa inyo, di ba, no? Well, anyways, ayan. Ewan ko lang din ha, pero parang feeling ko pinarusahan talaga din sila, no? Kasi sobra namang nilait-lait nila, no? Alam ko, I'm sorry, meron ka mga atheists, pero wag naman sanang ganun. Kasi bilang Katoliko, we believe in God, so you have to respect us the way we respect you guys. So, ayun lang. Sana magsilbing aral to. Ayan, lesson learned. Have a good day.